Fashion over the age of 50 can be tricky, especially with rapidly changing trends and styles. Christina Daves, host of Living Ageless and Bold, joins us once again to share some tips from two of her guests who are fashion experts. And welcome, Christina.
Thank you.
You always look beautiful.
Oh, this is my
so
fun.
So well put together.
Fun fashion over 50.
Yes, yes. Well, those of us that are over 50, you know, you want to look good. You want to, not dress too young for your age. You don't want to dress too old for your age either. It really is a balance. So what are some good basic rules that you've learned?
Yeah, so I had two guests. So the first one was Yolanda Taylor of At the Style Table, and she talked about your closet. What are we going to do in our closet? So the first thing is we're over 50, probably not working as much, things, like really nice work clothes. She says, get rid of everything, keep one suit.
Okay, basic
Just
and nice
one.
neutral color.
I've had this forever. A gray suit, and this is, it's got some flare bottoms, but you want to do that.
Okay.
Then you want to go through your closet and you want to make 3 piles. We're going to have our keep pile, we're going to have our recycle pile, and our donate pile. Really important. And look at where you are in your weight right now.
Right. So
if you're going to go
like too big or too small.
Right. 30 pounds one way or the other, get rid of it.
Okay.
If you can wear shapewear and get it on, you want to keep it.
Okay.
So she said like 5 to 20 pounds, kind of, that's your fluctuation, but think of the shapewear. Then your feet. How are you, right?
Yes.
Shoes.
More shoes than we need.
Right. But invest in this, especially now at this age. I don't know if you have a bunion. I've got that started now.
Oh, yes, I do.
Okay. Okay.
Being real.
So I bought these shoes probably 10 years ago.
Yes.
They were expensive. I invested in them. I have never bought another pair of tan or black shoes.
You've worn this the whole time.
I put them in a box. I saved them. Yes.
Yes.
So if you have shoes you love that are comfortable, like these we just took and had them recobbled.
Oh, okay.
So these expensive shoes, $50.
Because there are people in town that can do that.
That can do that.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Have a statement purse, handbag.
Yes.
Girl, I love this
And a
purse.
good size one that can hold all the things.
Hold everything.
Yes.
I like this so much. I bought it in 2
it's
colors.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So these are some of the some
Like
basics
neutral. Yeah.
that Yolanda recommends. This is how you clean out your closet. This is what you want to keep.
Stuff that's like, well, and I noticed these are things that can go with a lot of different colors, so you're not cluttering.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Now, next up, we have Tania Sterl. She's a celebrity stylist.
Okay.
Style on Sterl, out of New York City.
All right.
So these are the basics that you want in your closet. You want a great pair of high-rise jeans.
Love those.
And what she's all about is feel good.
Yes.
If it's a trend you don't like, don't do it. Do what you love.
It may look good on somebody else, but maybe not necessarily work for you.
So what makes you feel good? White shirt. I mean, we had a white shirt in middle school.
Yes.
I'm still wearing, your basic button-up white shirt. You can layer this. So this is staple.
Accessorize it with different things.
Exactly.
Dress it up, dress it down. Love it.
Invest in a good coat.
Yeah.
Now I always wear pink. That's
I
my
love
thing.
pink too. It's one of my favorite colors, and that particular shade of pink too.
Yeah. So the hot pink. But so invest in a good coat that you have, and then your little black dress. We all need
Of course,
a little
at
black
all
dress.
ages, right?
Right.
Because it's perfect for any occasion.
Yeah. So now we know, especially since COVID, shoes, like tennis shoes.
Comfy
Chic,
shoes.
Cute. You can wear this with your little black dress. You can, dress it down, dress it up.
Sure.
So these are fantastic. And then all you need are gold hoops.
To go
wear
with
this with everything.
Yes.
Gold hoops, I love. I'm a silver girl, but I have my hoops. And now we've always been told no bikinis over 50. We can wear our bikinis.
We have permission.
It's okay. It's okay. If you feel good in it, wear it.
You wear it with confidence,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And
Yeah.
I think that's a lot of it. And again, a lot of these things that are neutral colors, good quality things, and not, having the dry. I'm still in the process of decluttering my closet and drawers and things like that, but you want to keep the good stuff.
Yeah, keep the good pieces, mix and match, and get rid of the stuff you're waiting to lose weight. A lot of weight for. I've done that. I have piles. Someday I'll have this. Or I keep going back and forth. Get rid of it.
Just give yourself permission to be where you are.
Right. It's okay. And that's what being over 50 is all about.
Yeah, that's right. Just embracing it and feeling good and feeling confident.
Feeling good,
All right. Well, Christina, thank you so much. Always such great advice for our lives. Great items and great tips. Yeah, we really appreciate it. All right. You can check out Living Ageless and Bold online and to listen to Christina's podcast.